what's happening tech community. So excited to have you here as we explore this groundbreaking technology. Today, we're going to dive into the world of exceptional viewing experiences with the Samsung 65-inch OLED S90D 4K UHD Smart TV bundle. This is not just a TV. It's an immersive experience that will change the way you enjoy your favorite shows, movies, and games. From its stunning 4K OLED display to its cutting-edge gaming features, we're going to break down what makes this TV truly special. Let's start with the 65-inch 4K OLED display. This is where the magic happens. With Samsung's advanced OLED panel technology, you get lifelike visuals that are unlike anything you've seen before. Deep blacks, vibrant colors, and exceptional contrast all come together to create an image that's so real, you'll feel like you're right there in the action. Whether you're watching your favorite sports team, a blockbuster movie, or exploring the depths of space in a documentary, this display will transport you to a new level of visual fidelity. Imagine being able to see the subtlest details, from the texture of a football player's jersey to the intricate patterns on a bird's feathers. This level of detail is what sets the Samsung 65-inch OLED S90D apart from other TVs on the market. But the visual experience is only half the story. The Samsung 65-inch OLED S90D also comes with Quantum HDR Plus and Dolby Atmos support, taking your viewing experience to cinematic heights. Quantum HDR Plus highlights bring out the best in every scene, with brighter highlights and deeper blacks that make the picture feel more dynamic and engaging. And with Dolby Atmos, you get multi-dimensional sound that surrounds you, drawing you deeper into the action. Whether you're in the midst of a tense battle scene or exploring the serene landscapes of a nature documentary, the combination of Quantum HDR Plus and Dolby Atmos will leave you breathless. For example, if you're watching a movie with a lot of action sequences, the Dolby Atmos sound will make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action, with bullets whizzing past your ears and explosions shaking your room. Now let's talk about gamers. The Samsung 65-inch OLED S90D is a dream come true for anyone who loves gaming. With its smart TV features and gaming hub integration, you get access to a world of games and streaming apps, all in one place. The TV supports 144Hz gaming, which means smoother, more responsive gameplay that's perfect for fast-paced action games. And with HDMI 2.1 support, you can enjoy your games with minimal latency, making every move feel instantaneous. But what really sets this TV apart is its exclusive bundle. You get a 3-year warranty, which includes a 1-year manufacturer warranty plus 2 years of CPS extended protection. This means you can enjoy your TV with peace of mind, knowing you're protected against any defects or issues. Plus, the bundle includes an AUX HDMI 2.0 cable and a streaming bundle with Brain.fm, Daily Burn, and Galaxy TV, giving you access to a wide range of entertainment options. But that's not all. The Samsung 65-inch OLED S90D also features modern connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and HDMI 2.1 ports. This means you can easily connect all your devices, from your smartphone to your gaming console, and enjoy seamless streaming and gaming. And with voice assistant support, including Alexa and Google Assistant, you can control your TV with just your voice, making it easier than ever to find what you want to watch. For instance, you can use Alexa to switch between different streaming apps, or use Google Assistant to search for your favorite shows. In conclusion, the Samsung 65-inch OLED S90D 4K UHD Smart TV bundle is an unparalleled viewing experience that will change the way you enjoy your favorite content. With its stunning 4K OLED display, Quantum HDR Plus and Dolby Atmos support, and cutting-edge gaming features, this TV is the ultimate destination for anyone who loves entertainment. And with its exclusive bundle and modern connectivity options, you get a complete package that's hard to beat. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Samsung 65-inch OLED S90D today and experience the future of television. Trust me, you won't regret it. This TV is not just a device. It's a gateway to a new world of entertainment, and I'm excited to see where it takes you.